At Sharda University, we break the bias every day and are proud to be the only private university in Delhi NCR with 44% female students.
On the occasion of International Women's Day, I'm very proud to say that Sharda University has already made the benchmark. And I think this is one of the only university probably in the country which has almost 45% girls. And as well as, the female percentage of employees is almost close to 40%. So I realized, that if I'm educating a girl, I'm educating the whole society. I wish all the best for all the women, colleagues and my dear students. Do well in their life because you are the one who will bring the change to this world and for the development of the nation, for development of society. Once again, wish you a very happy Women's Day. May God bless you.
इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे पर मेरी तरफ से सभी वुमेन्स को बहुत बहुत नमन और उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बधाई। और हम सभी लोग एक आधुनिक भारत बनाना चाहते हैं। ये तभी संभव है जब हर महिला एक कदम आगे बढ़ के इस देश को एक विकसित राष्ट्र बनाने में अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दे सके। मुझे खुशी है आज देश में हर क्षेत्र में महिलाएं बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ रही हैं, चाहे वो एजुकेशन हो, स्पेस हो, बैंकिंग सेक्टर हो, बिजनेस हो। सभी महिलाओं को आगे आना चाहिए और आज इस वर्ल्ड वुमेन डे पर मैं सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ, शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ।
Out of the 14 schools at Sharda University, 8 schools have female deans because we feel that the empowered women inspires the next generation of female students.
I feel honored and privileged to be part of Sharda University since its inception. The university has provided me with an opportunity to work closely with the students as Dean Students Welfare. Over these years, working with them, sitting with them, talking to them, developing their personality, creative thinking, helping them in organizing various sports and extracurricular activities, I have found that girl students have a creative thinking and they are very, very talented. I must say and would like to say very proudly that Sharda University has always supported me in doing all these things. I wish everyone a happy Women's Day.
I welcome you to Sharda School of Business, Sharda University. Today is a very special day. You see, there is a Sanskrit proverb. We say, Yatra Nari Pujante, Tatra Deva Haramante. Wherever the women are worshipped, endorsed, acknowledged, there live the gods. I think that's very much pretty true with Sharda University. And SBS is so diverse with 80% of faculty colleagues are female. Let me also say another thing. Most of us know Margaret Thatcher. You know what she said? When you want to get things said, seek a male, talk to a male. But when you want to get things done, always approach a woman. We at School of Business, Sharda University believe in women diversity, equality, as well as we will always endorse, acknowledge the efforts of women colleagues in our organization. We welcome you to Sharda School of Business. Happy Women's Day.
I feel great to nurture scholars and students from School of Humanities and Social Sciences. We at our school have 80% of female educators and 50% of female students. We provide ample opportunities to female students for growth and personality development. I wish everyone happy Women's Day.
Hi everyone. I lead a team of strong, research-oriented healthcare professionals in the School of Allied Health Sciences. With more than 1,600 students and faculty members, the School of Allied Health Sciences is the third largest school in the university. We are committed to creating the best professionals in the healthcare industry. Wishing you all a very happy Women's Day.
As Dean of School of Media, Film and Entertainment, I ensure that all my students learn all the nuances of the media world. And you'll be surprised to know that most of the female students are working in topmost media houses.
Within a very short span of time, School of Medical Sciences and Research has made a name for itself in the field of medical education. Our female students have joined prestigious hospitals all over the country and are performing exceptionally well, thereby carrying the flame of Sharda University forwards. I wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Break the bias.
we are proud to be at Sharda University. Happy International Women's Day!
Happy